I'm going to gym right now. I've got ready. Today is Saturday, so plan is I'm taking my helmet, and if possible, my friend and I, we both after gym we will go to High Street in HSR to have something to eat, because if you are in Bangalore you probably would be knowing that High Street is pretty famous here, and I recently discovered actually. So let's go try that High Street. Not sure, but if I go there I'll take you guys along with me. I am cleaning this helmet. Pretty much clean now. Let's go. So let's go, guys. Let's go to the gym. Going on Saturday because this week I have only gone to gym like twice. Today will be the third day if we do, and hopefully if I go tomorrow that will be like so good, but I am editing the video probably. I'm not sure. I need to shoot something tomorrow for the YouTube and the Instagram. If you're not following me on the Instagram, I'm going to put down my Instagram username here. Please go ahead and follow me there because I'm so much active there, and editing, shooting the reel, shooting it for YouTube as well as Instagram, and I'm going to post the video tomorrow night probably. So yeah, that's about it. I also have few office work which I need to complete, and it's pending. I never used to have this double chin. I don't know how to get rid of it. I'm going to run today. That's how. Look at that behind. That is High Street. We have many posters here. क्या पोस्टर्स है? हाँ, सिर्फ चाय ये तो ले लेना चाहिए आपको, लेकिन इसको ना वो फ्रेम में डाल के लेना होगा। देंगे वो। कितने का है? 150। चाय सुकून। अरे वो वाला हॉर्स तो वो वेलकम मूवी का है ना? ठीक है तेरे पास। या दैट इज फ्रॉम वेलकम मूवी। दिस इज फ्रॉम वेलकम मूवी जो हॉर्स कवर गधा जो वो बनाया था ना, क्या अनिल कपूर। हाँ हाँ, क्या नाम है इसका? मजनू। हाँ, मजनू भाई बनाया था। यही लगाते हैं यार। कमेंट डाउन बिलो गाइस इफ यू थिंक दैट दिस वाज द हॉर्स व्हिच वाज मेड बाय मजनू भाई फ्रॉम वेलकम मूवी। सब दारू की गलती है। ओह दीज आर वेरी नाइस कोट्स, है ना? ये शिवा का कितना प्यारा है ना ये वाला, ब्यूटीफुल। HSR is truly a vibe. That is the High Street, the famous. We have just directly come from the gym. I was not planning to, but I kind of forced her to come. She didn't want to come. After a gym session, we have got this PTs and of course banana walnut cake. We are at Cake Wala in HSR layout. Bought again this banana walnut cake. Even my friend bought. The crowd is as usual a lot. Due to this weekend, we were trying to go to Zudio. I think वो बंद कर रहा है क्या उसका बैनर को? वो कवर क्यों कर दिया है? हम लोग आगे ही चलते हैं, आगे चलो। देखो यहाँ भी खाने का बहुत सारा चीज़ है। मैं सोच रही हूँ मेरे को वो मिल जाए फूड वाला काइंड ऑफ। मेन रोड में आगे? नहीं मेन रोड नहीं है, HSR का बहुत सारा अंदर का। मेन रोड इधर है लेफ्ट में। देखो यहाँ भी है वो थर्ड वेव कॉफी, इधर है। इसका एम्बियंस कितना सही है ना। हमारा स्टारबक्स एंड हैंगओवर प्लान बी। देख रहे हो मंदिर? हाँ, ये एक्चुअली साड़ी का शॉप है। कैन यू बिलीव दिस गाइस? दिस इज नॉट टेम्पल, दिस इज मालाबार गोल्ड एंड डायमंड। हाँ, वो कितना क्यूट है ना, छोटू सा बकेट। पता क्या है? अपना लॉन्ड्री बैग काइंड ऑफ। हाँ, लाइक टू मेक इट एस्थेटिक वाला। अच्छा है वो। पाइनएप्पल एंड मौसम्बी जूस है। फिर वी हैव गोलगप्पेस, गो पिज़्ज़ा कभी खाया है? रामियन नूडल्स भी है यहाँ पे। लुक एट दिस क्यूट chai shop. Ram Pyari Chai. We just had golgappe and kathi kebab. Look at that. This looks very good. Like kind of aesthetic vibes. वो दालगोना कॉफ़ी वाला है, समझ रहे हो? वैसा मिक्स बना के और फिर बॉटल में दे रहे हैं।
पट्टू मसाला पट्टू पट्टू।
ओ हाँ यार,
खाएंगे?
खाना है, एक प्लेट खा लेंगे, बढ़ जाएगा। और घी वाला बना रहे हैं। We have just bought paddus. If you
गरम
don't
में
know, this is like appe. She is making in the ghee. That is how it's made. In North we call it up. My mom also used to make, but not exactly like South.
गरम में बहुत।
This is very hot. गरम है काफी। चटनी तो बहुत अच्छा है, तीखा भी है, मेरे को ऐसे ही पसंद है। This is how it looks with chutney. Good. मैंने पे कर लिया आंटी। Thank you so much. छोले कुलचे, eggs, parathas and pakoras. So many things here. Chinese food corner. This is the first time I'm exploring all of this. This is the bubble tea corner and the Korean squad. All the ramens, buldak ramen. This is samosa corner, simply Marathi. My new experience of coming to HSR Bhartiya Jalpan. This is quite famous in Bangalore. Going back, we are not buying anything from here. Dhokle nahi hai. My friend, she wanted to buy dhokle from me, but apparently there is no dhokla. Look at the road here. That's why I'm just in love with HSR. I used to live here before COVID. And we are ending the day with chicken momos at High Street. Right now it's 10:30 p.m. and look at the crowd here. It's too crowded. And on the weekend it will stay open like for till 1 a.m, 12 p.m, 12 a.m I think. And that was the end of the day. I went to HSR. It was much needed a change because, and by the way, I love HSR. So now I have come back home and I am feeling rejuvenated. Ending my day with this sheet mask. I use this sheet mask I have from Nykaa also. So this is Mirabelle Papaya Facious Sheet Mask, which is made in Korea. You know, Korea is all famous for the sheet mask, and I got it. I mean, the actual price is 99 and I think I got it for 70 or something. So I try to use sheet mask every weekend if it's possible, because our skin go through a lots of harsh weathers, dry weathers, especially in Bangalore. And this is how it looks like. Let me quickly put this on. So let me show you what other sheet mask I have. I know I'm looking awful, please ignore my if you could. So I have few other sheet masks as well, and I am in the collection of few more. So this is the charcoal face mask, again from Mirabelle. This is tea tree, green tea tree face mask from Mirabelle again, and this one is from Nykaa. This is pearl and hyaluronics glowing face mask, and the one that I'm using is, again, this is the Mirabelle face mask for papaya vitamin C. And the reason why face mask is important for everybody, not for just women, for men as well, to keep your skin hydrated, not dry, that's all. And I especially like the Mirabelle products because the smell, moisture that leaves on this skin, it really stays longer. I leave it overnight, and then in the morning when I wash it, it gives very soft, plumpy skin. So yeah, these are the collections. If you want to buy it, I can link down below. And let me show you this corner. I have ordered so many things from Myntra recently, which again I'm going to shoot everything today what I have got from Myntra. There are so many things here, and these all cloths are for donation. I'm going to donate these. There are so many, and this is a new weight machine which I ordered it from Amazon by mistake because I thought that this weight machine is not working, but actually I was using the wrong batteries. So this weight machine is still new. If you're in Bangalore, if you want to buy it from me, you can do that. Otherwise, I'm going to post it on OLX. So hopefully I sell it. And these are the few books which I need to sell. These all are like 12th books for Bangalore. If you can see, this is NCRT 12 book, plus there are few preparation books. These all books are my brother's, and he did not study at all, so I have to sell those. Also, I need to sell this thing for biceps triceps that you do. Again, going to post that on OLX. So I just want to empty this corner. I will be left with inverter, and this inverter is also not working, so I need to sell this. Not sell, I need to repair this, get it repaired. So I'm going to call the customer care, get it repaired. Today is Sunday, cannot happen. There are so many things which I want to change in this room, and the reason why I did not buy the bed yet because I was not sure what I want to do with this corner. I did not plan to stay in this house for years, so for the workaround, for the turnaround, for that point of time, because my parents were about to come, I bought this. But I think that probably I'll sell out this thing, mattress, and I want to buy a sofa or the bin bags for this place at least. But anyway, the plan has to be, move near to my office. I'll see what I'm going to do about this. Hey guys, before we end the vlog, let's do a small Q&A session. Questions that you had asked in the previous videos in the comment section, or DMs that I have got on Instagram. So somebody had asked me what is the difference between data scientist and data analyst and how it is going to help AI. What I'll say is data analyst is more about sharing a story, sharing a business insight which is currently happening in the company, like any percentage, profit percentage, or any changes that has been made. Like suppose they have implemented some customer retain model, so if that is working or not. I mean, it's more like a prescriptive analysis, not much into predictive analysis, but we do have option to share something based out of the current insights what we can share with the stakeholders. That suppose this method selling two products together are not working anymore, so we can probably move to a different way, that sharing or selling two products separately, or two companies, two brands separately, which are not going together, seeing the current insights. Data science on the other hand is more like forecasting something. For example, how in next 3 months or next 4 months sale is going to work, like how in certain company how the sale can be, or forecasting will be like what could be the demand forecasting, what could be the sale forecasting, forecasting about how much stocks can go into store. I am saying this example based out of retail company, not in the different company. I have to think of some examples. So since I working currently in this retail company, I can think of more examples. So that is the main difference between the data analysis and data science. If we talk about AI, then we should think about how we can utilize AI in our data analysis or data science things. So in data science, you can definitely make use of ChatGPT in understanding certain algorithms. If for any of the forecasting model, what a good model to work with and maybe generate a code out of it or something like that. On the data analysis part, we can utilize ChatGPT or any AI platform to understand how we can deliver our insights with the customer, and based on if we share the results that we have got this much results or this is a profit, based on the results that you have got, we can ask AI that how we can suggest business and what improvements that we can do out of this results. So this is how we can utilize AI in our data analysis and data science. So that's all for today. This vlog will go so long. Put down your questions below. I'll try to answer as much as possible, and I always try to answer all of your questions on Instagram whenever I get to see them. So stay tuned. I've seen that many of you have not subscribed yet. Approximately 82% are not yet subscribed, so do subscribe to this channel. I'm sure you'll get enough information and the entertainment content related to this channel. And if you're new here, then my name is Smriti and I am a data analyst. I have been living in Bangalore for more than 9 years, and I'm just here to share my journey with you all. So stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.